Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters right here in Junction City. I'm Gary.Christiance, but heck, you know me as the van guy, and I got another van for you today. 2016 Roadtrek Zion. This is the full length one that has the twin or the queen bed in the back. 8,000 miles. Come on inside and let's just take a peek what this bad boy has. So what I did was I took the door side couch and I pulled it out to show you that when you push this, it goes all the way together for a queen bed. If you don't want a queen bed, you want twin beds, then you don't take this cushion and you push it back in, and then you have a walk space between the two. So let me show you how that looks. So this gives you the versatility of twins or a queen bed, and you've got this big storage area down below the bed. The other way is to have the couch in the back facing forward, but then you can't use this rear portion for your storage. And then we'll pick this cushion up and get it out of the way, and then this slides back in, and then you look down here, it's got drawers all the way on both sides. Lots of storage in this unit. You can also put a kayak through here, a bicycle. I mean, there's a lot of things that you can do in this unit that you can't on any of the other ones. It's got a rear screen for the back. Of course, emergency exit out through the rear area. It's got good lighting all the way. TV, DVD player. Good storage up above. And then if you look right here, that's your controller for your solar panel up on top. Good storage space all throughout. This is your closet area. Got a nice hanger, table leg. You've got drawer storage here. Yeah, that's a big drawer, isn't it? Wait till you see the pantry. Nice pantry area. Plenty of storage for all your canned goods. Refrigerator's a bigger size. It's up off the ground. Icebox up on top. And this is a compressor style furnace. And then your kitchen has good storage underneath. Drawer, all stainless steel. Recessed 2-burner with your igniter. Recessed sink. A small microwave. Not a big one, not a convection. But the space they've got, that's all they could put in here. Bathroom, take a peek in there. Plenty of light, nice little sink. And then you have storage up on top. These are privacy curtains that go on the back two windows. Counter extension, USB ports, and then 12-volt outlet and 110. Monitor panels up here. It's got your electric awning. This one also has a lithium and underhood generator. I'm going to disconnect the battery, turn off the lithium battery so that won't drain it. It's got electric power step. See how big it is? A lot of room. So this is the 21-foot model. We also have the SRT in stock, which is the short version. This, of course, is from the rear area. Got a receiver hitch in the back, which is basically used for bicycle. This is about 2,000 pounds towing capacity. Backup camera's right up here. Up on top is your antenna, which you don't have to crank up and down. Tabletop sits right in here. I showed you the table leg inside. Outdoor shower, hot and cold water, Truma heating system, dump stations down below, the furnace intake and exhaust, and then your gas fill here. These get about 15 miles per gallon, according to the chassis that I drove to Eastern Oregon. Electric step for the driver as well. Brake control is right here on the outboard side of the seat. Great visibility up front. It's got a 10-foot tighter turning radius than a Sprinter. And the controls for the mirrors are right here. This one right here folds the mirrors in. This knob maneuvers the top and the bottom mirror to your specifications, so you can switch drivers and somebody in here within a few minutes can have all the mirrors adjusted safely and properly to be able to see. Yes, I know you have a question. Check me out on Facebook, The Van Guy, or just call me direct. 541, you write this down? 541-554-9581. Have a great day.